So this is the Google Draw video to insert my image. Uh, I had saved it to my computer already. This is the screenshot of my job that I want to do. It's a bank teller. So let's see. I'll highlight it in yellow. And then this is the starting salary. Make a box around it. And then make it transparent. And the border yellow. So it'll be right here in yellow. And then this is the qualifications that you would need